Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello YouTubers, how are you? I'm fine. I think you certainly good. My name is MD Sohanur Rohan Sahel. What is the main use of Python? Python is a general purpose and a high level programming language. You can use Python for developing desktop GUI applications, website and web applications. Also, Python as a high-level programming language allows you to focus on the core functionality of the applications by taking care of common programming tasks. History of Python implementations begin in December 1989 when Rossum continued as Python's lead developer until July 12, 2018 when he announced his permanent vacation from his responsibilities as Python Benevolent Dictator for life, a title the Python community bestowed upon him to reflect his long-term commitment as the project's chief decision maker. January 2019, active Python core developers elected Brett Cannon, Nike Coghlan, Barry Warsaw, Carol Willing, and Ben Rossum to a 5-member steering council to lead the project. Python 2.0 was released on 16 October 2000 with many major new features, including a cycle detecting garbage collector and support for Unicode. Python 3.0 was released on 3 December 2008. It was a major revision of the language that is not completely backward compatible. Many of its major features were backported to Python 2.6, X, and 2.7 X version series. Release of Python 3 include the 2.3 utility, which automates at last partially the translations of Python 2 code to Python 3. Python 2.7's end of life date was initially set at 2015, then postponed to 2020 out of concern that a large body of existing code could not easily be forward-ported to Python 3. In January 2007, Google announced work on a Python 2.7 to Go transcompiler to improve performance under concurrent workloads. Let's start environment setup. How to download and install Python and IDE Python. First, open your Chrome browser and write here Python or Go. Click download and Python 3.7.3. Click here and download. Select your folder and save. I have already this software. You can select. Click in new window. Right here, Python download. Click here, download Python. You choose it professional for both scientific and web Python develop with HTML, JS and SQL support. You don't click for pure Python development. You click you need to cost. Then we download professional. Choose your folder and save this software. Keep it download. We are once again see Python download options. I can see with great insight. Looking for a specific release. Python release by version number. Click here. Python 3.7.3 release date. Zip source trouble, source release. You want to your device matching for software. Mac OS 64-bit installer, Windows help file, Windows x86 64 embedded zip file. Let us install Python. Let's start Python install. Run. You cannot choose install now. You choose customize install and check box. Click next. Install for all user. On it. Click browser and to choose your C drive. On like program file, and you want to new folder. You want to create a new folder. Save this and continue. Look, save it. Install. Let's see install starting. Setup progress. Python 3 into 7 to 3. Oh, complete. Setup was successful. Close. Need to check any error in your software. First, open your command prompt. Write here Python and subtraction V and enter. See your software. Write again Python and enter. See all the details of your software. Let's now run a program. Write here print parenthesis documentation hello Python and enter. See, the program has run properly. Write here exit. Write here again exit with parenthesis. Write here PIP list for program errors checking. There are no errors. Then cut it. Let's see how to install Python. Double click your software and run it. Next click and click your choose C drive. And save this program file. Okay, click. Next. Checkbox and next. Next. Just for wait some time for need download. I want to manual reboot later and click finish. Now click start button and choose your preferred ROM software. Click double. Checkbox do not import settings and OK. Choose your dark mode or light mode. You want to skip this option. I will click next feature plugins. Click allow access. Checkbox. Evaluate for free. Click here, create new project. Write here a project name. And click create. Just provide. Click file. Then click settings. For theme settings, you choose add themes. It's very light. I don't choose it. Click again settings for zoom in and zoom out in mouse control. Click your project name with the right button and choose new. Select Python file and write a name. Look, py extension. Write print, parentheses, double quotations, hello world. Then click right button, choose run option. See, the program has been run. Let's write here an others program. Increment, run it. Look, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Thanks a lot watching the entire video. To view the next videos, click the subscribe and the bell icon button. Goodbye.